Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we have something truly extraordinary for you, the 2024 Bugatti Chiron. This masterpiece of automotive engineering is a blend of extreme power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of hypercars, get ready to be amazed. The Bugatti Chiron is not just a car, it's a statement. It carries the legacy of Bugatti's craftsmanship, pushing the limits of what a road-going machine can do. With an aerodynamic design that screams speed, the Chiron is built to dominate both the track and the streets. Under the hood, the 2024 Chiron is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. This monstrous powertrain produces a mind-blowing 1,479 horsepower and 1,600 Newton-meters of torque. The result, a top speed electronically limited to 261 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. Acceleration is equally jaw-dropping. The Chiron can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. If you keep your foot down, it reaches 124 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds and 186 miles per hour in less than 13. These numbers put it in a league of its own. Bugatti hasn't just focused on speed, they have also mastered luxury. The interior of the 2024 Chiron is a blend of fine leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum. Every detail is handcrafted to perfection. The cockpit is driver-focused, yet it provides an unparalleled level of comfort, making long drives as enjoyable as high-speed runs. The digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system provide essential driving data and connectivity features. However, Bugatti maintains a minimalist approach, ensuring that the driving experience remains pure and immersive. The Chiron's advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension ensure that all the power is delivered smoothly to the road. The aerodynamics are optimized to provide maximum downforce and stability, even at extreme speeds. Every curve, vent, and spoiler is designed to enhance performance while maintaining the Chiron's signature elegance. Safety is also a priority. Bugatti equips the Chiron with high-performance carbon ceramic brakes, ensuring that this hypercar can come to a halt just as impressively as it accelerates. The stability control and traction management systems work seamlessly to keep the car under control, even when pushing its limits. One of the key highlights of the 2024 Chiron is its exclusivity. Bugatti has limited production to ensure that each owner gets a truly unique piece of automotive art. The personalization options are nearly endless, allowing buyers to customize everything from the paint job to the interior materials. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2024 Bugatti Chiron comes with an estimated starting price of around $3.3 million. However, depending on the customization options and special editions, this price can go significantly higher. Owning a Chiron is not just about buying a car, it's about becoming part of an elite club of automotive enthusiasts. Despite its breathtaking performance, the Chiron is surprisingly refined. The ride quality is smooth, and the car is surprisingly practical for a hypercar. While it may not be a daily driver for most, it's engineered to provide an exceptional driving experience every time you take it out. Bugatti has taken the Chiron to the next level by introducing various limited editions, such as the Chiron Super Sport and the Chiron Pure Sport. These variants push the boundaries even further, whether it's increasing top speed or enhancing handling dynamics. Each version is a testament to Bugatti's relentless pursuit of perfection. The 2024 Bugatti Chiron is more than just a hypercar. It's a symbol of ultimate performance, luxury, and exclusivity. It represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, combining breathtaking speed with unparalleled craftsmanship. If you had the chance to drive a Bugatti Chiron, where would you take it? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today's episode of Automotive World. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more reviews, news, and updates from the world of cars. See you next time.